How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step that you need to do is to go to Play Store, open Play Store. So go to the search on your bottom right corner, then search for Unseen. So this is the app that we are going to download on our Android phone. So just tap on the app, then tap on install. Then the installation will begin. As you can see, it is still downloading, so let us just give it time. So just tap on open. The notification access, please allow notification access, so just tap on OK. Then it will lead you to your phone settings. Then you are going to look for the Unseen app. As you can see, it is at the bottom here. Just tap on the button to open it, then allow. Then you can now go back. Then this is the app. So you are going to, at the top here, you are going to see different apps. We have Messenger here, we have WhatsApp and Telegram and Instagram. So but for this video, I'm going to use WhatsApp. So as you can see, the app is here. So I'll go to WhatsApp and I'll try to send a message. So when someone sends you a message, let's say, and then the person deletes this message, let's say I'm going to delete this message, tap on delete, then delete for everyone. So you see the message has been deleted. Now if you go to the recipient of this message, I'll close this, then I'll go to, so this is the recipient of this message, as you can see. So this person has not read the message. This message was deleted. Now if you go to the app which we had installed, the Unseen, and open the app, you'll be able to see the message which was sent. So this is the message which I had sent, and you have seen that I had already deleted the message. That's simply it, guys. That's how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. And it is not only WhatsApp, you can use also other apps here. We have Messenger, we have WhatsApp, we have Telegram and Instagram and email. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.